Your home is a major investment, which is why it's critical to protect that investment with the proper insurance. Homeowners insurance can offer financial protection in the event of an unexpected disaster or accident involving you, your home, or your personal property. At a glance, a standard homeowners insurance policy typically provides these 5 forms of coverage. This coverage can offer compensation for repair costs if your home is damaged by a covered event, such as a fire or windstorm. If any detached structure on your property is damaged, like a shed or fence, this coverage can assist with repair costs. This coverage can provide reimbursement for the cost of stolen or damaged items inside your home, such as furniture or electronics. In the event that you have to move out of your home while it's being repaired, this coverage can help pay for temporary housing and living expenses. This coverage can offer protection if you are found liable for injuring another person or damaging their property. Remember, you'll have to pay a deductible before your homeowner's insurance kicks in. What's more, each form of coverage is subject to a limit, which is the maximum amount your policy will pay for a covered claim. Contact us today to discuss your homeowner's insurance needs.